Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today we will be unboxing this amazing portable speaker from EUPHO, and this one is called S1 Circle. It comes in many different variations. As you can see here, there are different colors which we will talk about it, and there are a lot of cool features about this product which we will be talking about. And so let's unbox this and then see what do we have inside. So first impression and the unboxing starts here. Alright, so first thing first, when you open it, there is a quick start guide for you guys to check. So apart from that, we have the speaker inside. So we have a strap, which is the leather strap, which is a very good quality leather to go up here, which we will put in a while. Then apart from that, we have the USB-C to Type A cable we will be using to charge this device. And apart from that, on the box, playback time is the 20 hours playback time. This one comes with the TWS technology. We're going to dive into it as well. It's water resistant, so you can bring it out anywhere. That's the whole point of this portable speaker. Rechargeable batteries, Bluetooth 5.3. We will also talk about that in detail, and low latency as well. So let's put that on side and bring that speaker out. All right, so the first impression, to be honest, we've been using EUPHO speakers. They have a different kind of models, including the big one, small one, medium sizes, and all these things. And we've been using it for quite a while as well, including this bad boy as well. This one, they call it mini but mighty, and it really stands for its name as well. So first thing first, what we're gonna do, we're gonna put the strap first. All right, just like that. Put it in, and then you are good to go. And the whole point of this strap, that is very solid, the quality of it, and it holds very well, so you don't need to worry about. And in the front, it has a very nice metal plating here. If you guys can see, the logo looks very cool, and this grill is a hard plastic. And then the fabric is the one thing to note. You can bring in the rain if it's raining outside or all that, so you don't need to worry about that. And then apart from that, we have the microphone. Then we have a volume up, volume down button, TWS, which is the true wireless stereo. We're going to talk about that as well. And then the power button. So when you hold this power button, and you'll be greeted with the welcome sound. So it's a very nice, and you can see the indicator here which shows that this is on. Then if you hold this power button again, pairing, then it says it's pairing, so it will blink and it goes into a pairing mode. So it means you can just pair with your mobile device, your laptop, your iPad, anything you want to do which supports the Bluetooth. Then apart from that, at the back of it, this is where the thing comes in, where you can put your audio jack and USB-C as well. Overall, in the quality wise, there is no doubt it's a very nice quality. It's not heavy, it's not light, it's just a right size, right weight to it. So it really gives you confidence to bring it around, so you're not gonna bother about that it's very heavy or it's gonna break or anything. So it's very good on that part. Let's dive into the specifications and features of this amazing speaker. This spherical speaker features a premium cowhide leather strap, making it easy to carry around in style. And speaking of style, the EUPHO S1 comes in 6 vibrant color options, so you can choose the one that suits your taste. The EUPHO S1 speaker delivers an immersive sound experience with its dual passive radiators, dual 2.5-inch woofers, and 20 watt by 20 watt output. The wide frequency response ensures that you can enjoy deep bass, clear mids, and crisp treble, creating a dynamic listening experience. When it comes to the connectivity, the EUPHO S1 offers more than just Bluetooth. With support for TWS, which is the true wireless stereo, you can pair two EUPHO speakers together for a powerful stereo experience. This is perfect for use under your TV or alongside your computer monitor or any other devices. You can also take it a step further and connect to 8 S1 speakers in matrix modes to enjoy synchronized music from 8 different locations. It's rated IPX5 waterproof, making it suitable for outdoor use without worrying about splashes. And when you need to take a call, the built-in microphone comes in handy. Alright guys, so this one is all connected, very simple connection through the app. Just connect to your Bluetooth and it shows up in your app, which is the EUPHO Seek. So you guys can download that also to have more control on your device. You can turn it on, off, TWS pairing, and all these things can be done there as well. So let's play some of the music and go to the app and see how this performs there as well. Once I move into the app, I can actually control it from here. I want to play and pause. Also, I can turn on and off as well at the same time. I can control the volume from here using the app as well, so that gives you a lot of control on your device as well. Then on the other hand side, when we will go for the what you call the equalizers and all these things, so for example, if I change it to jazz, of course it changes accordingly as well. Then on the top, as I mentioned, you can see which phone you're connected to and the battery life as well. So all these things. Then if I want to play the next songs and all these things, I can just control. So I don't need to like go and always use this buttons and all these things to do it. So let's do the next test, which is the TWS. So I'm going to bring another speaker and then connect together and then see how that performs. Alright, so I have the second speaker now, so let's do a test for the TWS. What you just need to do, turn this on and then you go to this app. Oh, you can see there are two different speakers. Even they show the color of the speaker, what color. This is very cool as well. So here you click on this one and you see it says okay, but if you click on this one it says TWS. So that's the magic. You press here, it's gonna start doing whatever it's supposed to do.
TWS.
This one is TWS done.
TWS.
And it says TWS also. So both are. This is the left channel it says, and this says the right channel. Now if I go back here on the main screen, you can see this, it says the TWS connected. Alright guys, so we have changed a little bit in the audio setup, so you can check how the left and right works here on the sound. So I'm gonna play a music here. Alright, so I'm gonna bring the left to the left side to here. This is how the sounds and how they distribute the sound for the right side as well for the TWS. It's very interesting, and I'm gonna do both together now, a little bit louder, okay? There you go. You guys can hear it. Wow. Okay, so that's how amazing this sounds. So we did the voice audio recordings using these microphones. So I'm gonna play for you guys that as well. So and let's say I'm talking to you guys, and the microphone which we are using is from the speaker itself. And then what I'm gonna do after I stop it, I will play. That's the right one. And hear how good the sound comes from the microphones here. So let's speaker itself. And then what I'm gonna do after here, I must say the sound, it sounds very decent. If you are having a Zoom call sessions or anything, you can just actually utilize this, or just if you're listening to music, suddenly the call comes up, you can actually use this speaker. Alright guys, if you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to our channel as well. And if you guys have any questions, please let me know in the comment section. I'll be happy to reply all of you. And also there is a discount code available in the description as well. You guys can use it if you want to purchase or for the upcoming Christmas or the New Year gifts or anything. I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, take care and bye bye.